Good morning. I got to take the Viper in for a little maintenance this morning. Figured you guys would get a kick out of taking a little ride in it with me. So let's do it. So much fun. It is so raw, it's not even funny. I mean, there's no computer to help whatsoever. So you can see from the clip, you get on that sucker, back end comes a little loose, and it's all you, man. You can't control this thing. That's it, it's done. Let's get a downshift for you. Ooh. Here we go, we'll do a little freeway on-ramp from this view. All smiles, man. This car is awesome. This is what it is. Here's the day in driving a Viper. Let's get another downshift. Silly. So silly. This car does not like to go slow. It does not. Oh, here we go. Race to the red light. Hitting all its 510 horsepower of goodness. We're just going to step on it for a second here. No go. 510 horsepower, rear-wheel drive car, 345 tires in the back. Just put new rubber on it. It's sticking much better than it was before. Anyone who said money can't buy happiness definitely bought the wrong car, because this is pure joy. That's all I can say about that. Even just normal cruising is fun. It's just a good time. Dodge, you did good. You did good. Thank you. Thank you, Dodge. I gotta plug this, but you know, whatever your goals are in life, as long as you're happy, that's all that matters. And I gotta tell you though, as much joy as this car brings, like, shoot for the stars, man. Do this. This is fun. This is a good time. This is living life right here. Go buy yourself a Viper. It there. Matt. Definitely wanted to come loose. Here we are, coming to our buddy's place, Luxury Auto Code. You guys enjoyed a ride along, a little bit of a day and having a Viper. Hope to post up more content like that for you, make it a little fun, change it up once in a while from all the motivational and wealth building stuff. So anyway, have a great day. Talk to you later.